Top 5 Best Streaming Camera. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. An action camera might not be your first choice when looking for a streaming camera, but bear with us. You might not need the GoPro Hero 9 Black's waterproofing, tough design, or ability to attach to bike handlebars and surfboards. But what you are investing in here is image quality and ease of use. With a front-facing screen to help with framing shots, the Hero 9 Black's live streaming resolution now reaches 1080p resolution. It works with YouTube, Twitch, Facebook profiles, and Facebook pages. However, the real plus is its ability to stream with arguably its key feature, engaged hyper-smooth 3.0 image stabilization. That means live streaming super fast action sequences is now on. Number 2. Mevo Start Streaming Camera. With a dedicated, and very friendly, phone app, the Mevo is purpose-built as a streaming camera, and allows you to pan, tilt, zoom during your recordings using the app. The camera is controlled via a Wi-Fi network, or your phone's hotspot, designed for live streaming on the go. It's actually a follow-up to the 2018 Mevo Plus, and bears the hallmarks of a polished second-generation model. In terms of hardware, the tiny camera shoots either at the full 84 width or cropping in and tracking your face. At the same time, it records to its micro SD card, so you've got a backup to edit with. You can take sound via your phone, a 3.5mm mic, or the inbuilt 3 microphone array which uses Fraunhofer up-ear spatial processing. Number 3. Logitech Brio Ultra HD Pro. Logitech Brio is one of the very best webcam for streaming, but these top-level specs don't come cheap. This camera can record in 4K, stream in 1080p Full HD at 60 frames per second, and offers a 5x digital zoom that crops a 4K image to 1080p. Although you can't actually stream live in 4K, this camera's extra resolution means you can zoom into a 4K image without the quality dipping below 1080p, or while maintaining a steady 60 frames per second. The lens has viewing angle options of 65, 78 and 90 degrees, ensuring everything stays in frame, and the camera can also be used with the Windows Hello facial recognition login system. Number 4. Razer Kiyo Streaming Webcam. The Razer Kiyo is not just another desktop camera. It is the product of endless thought put into building the perfect broadcast studio, and by assessing the needs of gamers worldwide, we have crafted a device that streams at incredible quality while ensuring you are always perfectly lit. It's powerful, yet concise, and a must for anyone looking to get started on the world's biggest stage. Designed and tested by top streamers, the Razer Kiyo is a desktop streaming camera with a powerful, multi-step ring light that you can dim or brighten on command, with the ability to stream at 60 FPS for full gaming fidelity. It's the perfect camera for professional streaming. Number 5. Logitech C922 Pro Streaming Webcam. We think the best camera for streaming right now is the Logitech C922. This is a standout choice for anyone either getting into streaming for the first time, or who wants to upgrade from the webcam they already have. It clips neatly onto the top of your television or PC monitor, or can be attached to a tripod if you want to get more creative with your angles and framing.